Hi there, I'm Brad Taylor and I'm a certified technician at Hudson Group in London, Ontario. At Hudson, we supply the highest quality brand names in physical security and access control, making sure your cars, homes, and belongings are safe and secure. Hudson also provides a unique service geared towards automobile key cutting and programming. If you're stuck in a situation without your car keys, forget finding a ride to the dealership. We'll come right to you. Hudson is one of the only companies in southwestern Ontario to provide this unique and stress-free service, making it much easier for you to replace your car keys. Hudson Lock Key offers a wide variety of products and services ranging from cutting and rekeying, keyless entry systems, door hardware installs, and much more. Our experienced locksmith technicians have the know-how and the highest quality products on hand to get the job done. Trust Hudson with all your lock and key.